danger is lurking, and evidence of life unseen for millions of years is about to be rediscovered. Join us as an intrepid journalist, a respected scientist, and a mad genius venture into some of the most unexplored corners of the planet to find where the wild things are and where dinosaurs ruled the earth. From the legendary author of Sherlock Holmes, the North Hunterdon Theater Organization invites you to join them as they present a history-making high school dramatic production about a hair-raising adventure in a prehistoric time. The Lost World, based on the classic novel by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, directed by Mary Ennis Mayo, performed live via podcast and streamed into the very comfort of your homes. The journey into the past begins this coming Saturday, October 24th at 7 p.m. Encore performances on October 29th and 30th. Visit nhto.booktix.com for details on how to join us on the white-knuckle ride of a lifetime. The Lost World. Get your tickets now and let our cast and crew bid you welcome to the jungle.